Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'll be sharing my go-to cornbread recipe with you guys. For this recipe, you'll need some cornmeal, milk, baking powder, salt, oil, eggs, and some green onion. Lately I've been making a lot of cornbread, so I figured you guys might like to see how I make mine. I'll have the recipe in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out. I know there are a lot of recipes out there, and some people like theirs a little sweet, but I don't. And I like to make mine and have it with some kind of soup. Oh my gosh, I love cornbread and soup. So you just want to put everything in your bowl and give it a good whisk to mix it together. I like it with beans also, or I could eat it just by itself when you take it out of the oven and you have a nice hot slice with some butter. How do you like your cornbread? I like to add different things in my cornbread from time to time, but the best one so far is the green onion. It just does something to the cornbread. I'm just greasing my dish here with cooking spray. If you have a cast iron, that would be best to bake it in, but I don't own one. I'm switching over to a spatula here just to make sure I get everything out of the bowl, because I can't afford to waste it. I mean, this is good stuff. I forgot to mention that before I started, I went ahead and preheated my oven. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I like mine to get nice and brown and crispy on the edge. I hope you give this recipe a try. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. Please don't forget to share the video, like the video. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.